Today I'm going to show you how to make your tyres. Go to this, from this, the old Porsche Empis. Now, this one, I've taken off the refurb, but look, there's a little crack in and it's nearly on its depth. So I'm going to run it down to tyres for you, getting them to whack a new tyre on it, another Michelin, and then we're going to show you how we revamp the wheels. Right, just got the tyre wheel back from Tyres for You. Nice part one, Mitchy. It's got loads more tread on it. So, popped out the old Porsche centre caps. They're not going back on, they're rusted. And now, next step is got to clean off as much grime and brake dust off of this as possible. So I use another wheel cleaner, spray on the tyres as well, give them a good scrub, get all of the grime off, especially on the inside because it is thick. That's the next job to do, and then we can get on to the polishing. And I've just had my delivery of centre caps. Got the old Wolfsburg edition. the set I brought, let's talk about this quick. I'm using the Auto Gleam Super Resin Polish. I don't know how much that was, I've had it for years. I think it's about 25 quid a bottle. And this buffer set was from Machine Mart. And I think this was £20 for the buffer wheel set. And then also you're going to need ceramic coat, because I've polished these before, not with these though, by hand, and I didn't use any ceramic coat or wax, and it only lasts a couple of weeks and it all fades. So I'll show you how to do the ceramic coat next. And you have to excuse the missing teeth. I've got to go back for some more dental work tomorrow, getting some new gnashers. I've had a lot pulled out. Too many sweets. Right, let's get the black done. Black attack. That looks pucker. Now we'll get all this crap off of there. Oh no! Splashed it everywhere, Rocco. Didn't I? Fucking chucked it everywhere. Why am I so loose? It's going to need a couple of coats, that. Couple of coats, Rocco. Oh, get off that wire as well, mister. Right, see where we're at. Crazy dog. Crazy fool. Crazy fool. You crazy fool. You buzz ball. Lunatic. Right. Let's get the light out of the way so you can kind of see what's going on. Get the light over it. So we'll see how shiny it is. So the writing, it's going to need 2 coats on that, but it's done with a tyre pen from Halfords. I mean, it's not for everyone. I do like putting the old tyre dressing shine on, but then I find it goes a funny colour after a while. So just having a little bit of white writing sort of sets it off. I've got the Wolfsburg edition. Let's go in the middle. And what's next? Well, I've got to wait for this to set before I start chucking the old ceramic coating around. And we're going to use, this is the stuff I got, ceramic spray coat. So you spray just one puff on, rub it all in, leave it to dry for a couple of hours, then spray a second one on, and it shines up really well, and that's supposed to stop all the grime. Yeah, I'll do that next. On for the ceramic coat. One puff is just enough.